Alma. I am from Lithuania and I will be very soon 55 years old. Yes, I remember my first car. It was Volkswagen Passat and I had about 10 Volkswagen Passat. About 10 in my life, sometimes very shortly, just for a few months. I felt like a pilot in the cosmic ship. I couldn't drive even with a scarf. I had to take off all my heavy clothes and I had to feel very easy, and it was about 2 months. Oh, I got my husband's old car, like my first car. Happy birthday, Losh!